Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about removing Strist.online pop-ups that may currently attack many browsers. According to my personal research, these pop-ups primarily attack Google Chrome, even though they may also attack Firefox, Safari, and other browsers. All these pop-ups by Strist.online are deceptive. They claim to be related to some decent security software, but they are not related to that decent security software. They are absolutely fake and faulty. The real purpose of all these pop-ups is to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. If you start interacting with all these fake alerts, then your computer may be infected with some malicious software, or sometimes you may simply be forwarded and redirected to some other questionable website of a really bad reputation. All these pop-ups by Strist.online may be the result of people clicking on some misleading ads in the form of push notifications. You might see some ads in the right part of your screen, and if you click on them, you may be brought to such pages as Strist.online. To deactivate such ads, this is what you can do. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then Site Settings, then scroll down to Permissions, choose Notifications. Carefully research all the websites that are allowed to send notifications. You need to remove the malicious sites that are causing such troubles. So after you get rid of all of them, the problem should be fixed. There is a good program that can help you do it automatically and remove other infections from your device. The program we recommend is Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.